If you want to remove a song from your Spotify artist profile, you can do it directly through Spotify. You have to go through your distributor first. Log into your distribution platform like DistroKid, TuneCore, or CD Baby, find the song and request a takedown. Once the distributor processes it, the song will disappear from your Spotify profile within a few days. Keep it in mind, this removes the track from all streaming platforms, not just Spotify. If you only want to hide the song from your artist page but keep it live, you'll need to reach out to Spotify for artist support. And they sometimes allow you to separate collaborations or guest features from your main discography. Just remember, once it's taken down, the play counts and saves are gone too. So that means all the plays and views they'll be just gone, like really. So be sure before you really just pull the trigger. If this helped, hit subscribe and let me know what track you're thinking of removing. I can suggest if there is a smarter option. And until then, if you do have any questions, just drop a comment in the comment box and make sure you hit the subscribe button, like I said.